of using Flutter for software development? Well, there are many, and I'll try to cover all of the main ones. You have increased productivity when developing with Flutter. Flutter is extremely easy and intuitive to learn. Flutter has great performance on both Android and iOS. Flutter apps are portable. You build a single app for multiple platforms. Flutter makes internationalization and accessibility very simple, offering great packages for this purpose. And Flutter has an amazing community which gives you great support for development. Let's dig into each of these in turn, starting with increased productivities. How does Flutter make developers more productive? The first reason is one that we've discussed earlier. When you are building a Flutter application, you use the same code base for Android and iOS. This means that you're saving on both time as well as resources, and this ends up being much more cost effective than having separate development environments, separate teams, separate infrastructure for application development on the two platforms. Mobile applications for different platforms have the same functionality, but over the last 15 or so years, Android and iOS have developed as separate ecosystems with similar features, similar capabilities, but separate ecosystems. And this has traditionally meant that you need two applications and two development teams in order to develop for both. And this is exactly what Flutter seeks to eliminate. Flutter allows you to merge your code base, merge your app, merge your effort, merge your development teams. Flutter is a much newer technology than frameworks that you may have been using for Android and iOS development, which means Flutter offers many new features and a new programming style allowing for faster development. Flutter uses widget based development, and this makes the development of user interface components very easy and intuitive. Widget based development is the foundation for the React framework, and Flutter has built upon that framework. Flutter makes available a number of ready made widgets to build UI components, providing a consistent and unified object model for faster development. If you worked on application development before, you know that it's all about iterative improvement. You write some code, you see how that looks, and then you keep making changes and iteratively improve your application. And this is why Flutter's hot reload functionality makes developers more productive, because hot reload allows for instantaneous updates. You can make code updates in real time without having to restart and recompiling your application. This allows you to quickly iterate to get the UI's look and feel exactly right